Quick video on the Y62 fitment. Okay, so what we've got here is the rear HPMC, 2 new bolts. On the front one you put the larger fat washer underneath it as well to allow for the pack up of the bracket. Bottom bolt, I've got a tabbed bolt that slips in there, and then when you're slowly putting up, it's a good idea to have a bit of electrical tape on the bottom of the thread just so that you can poke the tape through when you're fitting the slider up. And then you just throw the washer off, rip the tape off, put the washer on, push the washer against the side of the bolt, and then you can just do up the nut, and then that'll do up there. And then up in there, I don't know if you can see it, there's a nut up there as well. It's a little bit difficult to get to, but yeah, it's up there. Alright, so that's the rear one.